welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Apple model, and it's a MacBook Pro, the 16-inch one. Yeah, that's the one that I got. It was just released a few months ago and I got it and I'm super happy. I always like changing into the latest models and stuff like that. So this is the latest model in Apple, and I love Apple, so I also love Samsung, but you know, Apple, I like its laptops and stuff. So here is the MacBook Pro. As you can see, it's in its box, and the picture that it has right here is the same display that they had on their website. Let me just show you the website. So here is my previous laptop that I've been using. And as you can see here, right here is the display that I was talking about, same picture. And so here, there's two. You can get the 13-inch one and the 16-inch. I got obviously the 16-inch one. The 13-inch one has less storage, and you know, it's not as fast as the 16-inch one. And comparing this laptop right here, the one that I'm using right now, it was released in 2017, and this one obviously it was released recently this year. And actually I think they both are pretty close. They both are really good, but obviously I like I just told you, I really love Apple's devices and their products are really good. They're fast. So I just wanted to get, you know, I want to get upgraded. So I got upgraded to this one and I love it. I just love it. They both have the same color. You know, there's two colors, space gray and silver. But obviously I got space gray because it looks way prettier and darker. So I got space gray. And it has, here as you can see, it has more storage than the 13-inch one. And it's a bit faster. And it's a bit more pricey too. So that's that. And the MacBook Pro, like I said, it's the latest model, but it's actually really good for, you know, using it for like really anything, because if you use it for school, you can use it for school, you can use it for, you know, work or anything. And this one has a touchpad, as you can see, touch bar, as you can see right here. This one, the latest one, also has a touch bar. Oh, so exciting. And I don't know what new features that they've added in there, but this is all I know, and I'm super excited. Now let's just get opening, because I just want to open this, so let's just move this over. And we're going to be comparing the sizes later, but let's just, get this here. So I'm just gonna be back in 1 second. Okay, I'm back and I'm so excited. Let's just open this. Okay, so it's like you're opening your birthday present from your parents and you don't know what it is and you're super excited. And it's the favorite thing that you wanted. Okay, this looks so pretty. Now let's just flip it over. It's huge. Okay, there you go. Got it. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, I'm just gonna move this stuff over and we're gonna first go over the laptop. It's so pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's just take a look at this and how beautiful it looks. Seriously, it's just so pretty just looking at it. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so happy too. I got the latest model. Okay, so let's just open this up. This is the wrong way. Oh, let's take this screen thing off. It's gonna be super satisfying. Alrighty guys, let's do this together. It's so like when you're taking the wrapper, the gift wrap off of your gift. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. here is the laptop. Let me just move it. There you go. I have no words. It's just so, it's so new that literally the laptop feels so cold. Okay, so as you can see the Apple logo and stuff, I'm gonna just let you open it up. And there's all that stuff here. We're not gonna take that stuff off, but I'll just take it a little bit off to take a peek of the screen. Oh, okay, that's it. Not all of it, all of it. No. Actually, you know what, let's just take it off. As you can see, it's loading, but let's just put this back here. You can see the keyboards and the touchpad down here. All the keys. And now let's compare it to the other one. Here is this one, and
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so it's just gonna be talking, but here is both of the laptops. So here is the one that I got, and here is the other one. So as you can see, they both have the space bar. I mean the touch bar, sorry. And you can kind of see that this one's a bit different color and stuff. It looks kind of like a goldish color. You can kind of see that. The screens also look a little bit different. You can see right here, this one's a little bit thinner and this one's a bit thicker. So you can kind of see that comparison. Now I'm just gonna close this and I'm gonna show you how they both look in comparison when they're closed. So since I've used this for a long time, you can kind of see the Apple thing, like, But let's kind of see how look. If you look at them by side, I'm gonna match up so you can see this one's a bit wider. And if you put it like this way, oh my gosh, you can see that this one is still bigger. So you can clearly see that this one's way better than this one. It's bigger, it's faster, and like I showed you, it has more storage, so you can take as many pictures and screenshots as you want. And it's way better than the previous one. I mean, it's still good. The previous one's still good, but I recommend this one because I like getting upgraded to the latest Apple products, and this is the latest one, and I got it, so I'm really happy. And now let's just go over what's in the box. So I'm just gonna move this a little over so you can still see it, but I'm just gonna get the box in the middle. So here's the box, and it comes with, well, some stuff. Here's some, like, I don't know, instructions, things that you need. Yeah, let's just see what's in there. Macbook Pro. Here's a sticker that you can put on. And stuff, you know, what to do with it. But I won't be using that much. But I do love the stickers. I love stickers. Let's just put this over here. And that stuff here too. Oh, there's another thing in here. What is this? Just leave it. I'm leaving it. Okay, so we have the cable. Here is a plug, charging plug. And wow, that's humongous. I should have got the plug here to compare if it's the same size or something, I don't know. But yeah, let's just take this off. Satisfying. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's just new, made just for the laptop. Awesome. Okay, that's great. And here is the plug. Normal wires and stuff. But we're not going to take that out. And wow, that was really fun. And that's not really a lot of stuff. It just came with the charging stuff and some instructions in the stickers. Let me get the stickers here. I really like using the stickers though. I mean, you can put them anywhere. But the main focus is the laptop, and the laptop is really, really, really nice. And you can see how the spacebar is. Like, it also has a spacebar, same here. The keys are not that thin, and wow, they're like really nice. And it also has the speakers here, same length and stuff, but it's a bit inch bigger. You can see there is, if you didn't see, there is a separate key here. I don't know what it's for, but I'll find out later. If you want to know more, we're going to make another video specifically on this. And now I'm going to see if he had a key in this one. Let me just move this one over. Here, let's see. Because I saw a key on there, and maybe that's for the, like, your fingerprint, where you put your fingerprints. Here you can see right here that, here you can see right here, see? It says enter Touch ID. So, yeah. So as you can see, that they both are different in some ways, because this one has a key probably for the touchpad and stuff, and this one doesn't. So that's really new, and I'll be ending this video with a huge smile, and I hope you guys make my smile even grow bigger by hitting that subscribe button and liking this video, commenting down below which one you like more. Do you like this laptop more, or do you like the latest model? You like getting the latest model of Apple products and stuff? Or do you like, sticking with the ones that you really like? Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!